2025 Bajaj Triumph 350cc. This motorcycle is the result of the exciting collaboration between two giants, India's Bajaj Auto and the UK's legendary Triumph motorcycles. The question on everyone's mind is simple: does the 350cc deliver on its promise of blending affordability with Triumph's iconic heritage? Let's find out. Design inspired by British legacy. The Bajaj Triumph 350cc is a masterstroke of modern retro design. From its muscular tank with classic Triumph branding to the round LED headlamp and retro-inspired taillight, this bike oozes timeless charm. Its teardrop-shaped tank with elegant paint schemes and pinstripes echoes Triumph's heritage, while Bajaj ensures a touch of modernity with sleek lines and attention to detail. The upright stance, wide handlebars, and sculpted single-seat setup promise a mix of comfort and visual appeal, perfect for both city rides and long highways. Engine and performance. At the heart of this machine lies a single-cylinder, air and oil-cooled 350cc engine. This engine delivers a smooth yet punchy performance, churning out approximately 35 horsepower and 30 Nm of torque. The power plant is mated to a 6-speed gearbox, ensuring effortless shifts and a refined riding experience. Triumph's expertise in engineering combines with Bajaj's focus on efficiency to create a motorcycle that not only accelerates briskly but also maintains excellent fuel economy, making it a versatile option for enthusiasts and commuters alike. Rider comfort and ergonomics. The Bajaj Triumph 350cc is built with rider comfort in mind. The wide seat is well padded, offering ample support for long hours on the saddle. The upright handlebars and slightly rear-set foot pegs provide an ergonomic riding posture, striking a fine balance between sporty and relaxed. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, tuned to absorb bumps with ease. This setup ensures a smooth ride, even on rough terrain, while retaining a level of firmness for stability during spirited rides. Technology and features. The 2025 Bajaj Triumph 350cc doesn't shy away from modern tech. It comes equipped with a semi-digital instrument cluster that combines an analog speedometer with a digital readout for gear position, fuel level, and trip data. Bluetooth connectivity enables turn-by-turn navigation and call notifications, enhancing convenience for urban riders. Additionally, dual-channel ABS and disc brakes at both ends ensure confident braking in all conditions, a testament to Triumph's commitment to rider safety. Pricing and competition. Bajaj and Triumph have strategically priced the 350cc to make it accessible while retaining its premium appeal. Expected to start around INR 2.3 lakh, this motorcycle takes on rivals like the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 and Honda Hadis CB 350. What sets it apart is its perfect blend of British craftsmanship and Indian manufacturing efficiency, giving it a unique edge in the competitive mid-range segment. Conclusion. The 2025 Bajaj Triumph 350cc is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. By combining Triumph's iconic legacy with Bajaj engineering prowess, this bike delivers an exceptional package that caters to both seasoned riders and newcomers. It's stylish, powerful, and tech-savvy, making it a strong contender in the 350cc category. That's it for today's feature on CarCraft. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest in the world of cars and bikes. Let us know your thoughts about the Bajaj Triumph 350cc in the comments below. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.